Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. If you forgot your lock screen password, first I would recommend trying out different options to see if maybe you'll be able to remember it. But in the end, if you can't remember it no matter what you do, you will have to perform a factory reset. To do so, restart your phone and then press and hold the volume down button, which should put you into recovery mode. Here you want to use the volume buttons until it says recovery mode, and then use the power button to confirm. Then it's going to restart into recovery mode. Once it says no command, press the power button and then volume up. You have to press them at the same time. At this point you want to use the volume buttons to scroll down to wipe data/factory reset, and then use the power button to confirm. Again, scroll down to factory data reset and confirm. And now all of your data has been wiped. You can then reboot system now by confirming with the power button. Before you do this though, just make sure that you remember the password and the email account that you had on the device before, because you might have to remember them in order to recover your phone afterwards. But now you'll have to wait a little bit for your phone to turn back on. Then after a while you can go through the setup process, pick your language, change your vision settings, just go through it like you would with your normal setup process. You'll probably have to connect to a network. While in the first setup you didn't really have to do that, but now you will have to. It's going to just continue on with the setup process. Then it's going to ask you for your password, as you can see, but if you forgot your pattern or password, then you won't be able to do that, so you can use your Google account instead. Here you'll have to log into the Google account that was previously synced on the device. Then after you've put in the correct account details, you can now sign in to another account or into the same account again. Though you can just skip it, which we're going to do for now. You can skip setting the mobile network. You can set a PIN that you'll remember this time, or change it to a pattern or a password, or you can skip it entirely to not have anything like that. But we're going to select pattern and set ourselves a pattern. Next, confirm it. Just make sure you can remember it. You can set your fingerprint or you can skip it. Let's skip it for now. And then you can go through the rest of the setup process. Just like you would have during the first setup. There isn't really much difference. Pick things to your liking. Afterwards, you will be back in your phone. You can unselect everything you don't want to be installed. and just skip. After this, you are now in your phone as you were normally. You can try restarting things from your Google account through backups if you had any, under backup or copy data, and you could try, of course, signing into your old account here if you didn't previously. Then after putting the details in, you'll be able to just continue through and possibly just restore a backup from your Google account if you had it set up before. Or it might not work if you put the details wrong somehow. But you can recover backups from there. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.